Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. When you think about summertime, what is more refreshing than an ice cold milk tea? Alas, with wintertime coming, who wants to drink cold stuff? With this in mind, today I'm going to share with you a hot red bean and mochi matcha milk tea that can be your go-to in the cold winter months. This drink has all the great flavor of iced milk tea with the added benefit of being better suited for the winter months. So without further ado, let's get to it. To start, we need to prepare the red beans and mochi for our milk tea. So first, add 150 grams of red beans to a large bowl. Cover the red beans in water and let them soak for 24 hours before continuing. The next day, strain the soaked red beans and add them to a medium saucepan. Then, just cover the beans in cold water. Bring this pot to a boil over high heat. Add in 75 grams of rock sugar, cover, turn down, and simmer for about 45 minutes. At the end, all the water should be absorbed and the beans should have a chewy but not mushy texture. While the beans are simmering, we are going to make the mochis for our milk tea. To do this, add to a mixing bowl 50 grams of sticky rice flour, 40 grams of rice flour, 30 grams of cornstarch, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 20 grams of vegetable oil, and 200 grams of milk. Then, use a whisk to stir this mixture until it is thoroughly combined and there is no dry flour left or visible clumps in the mixture. Strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a steam-safe bowl, then proceed to cover this bowl in plastic wrap and steam this mixture for 20 minutes. When the mochi dough is finished steaming, let it cool down for a bit. Then, dust a board and a little cornstarch and proceed to quickly knead the mochi dough into a smooth round ball. Due to the texture of this dough, the kneading is much easier than bread dough and only takes a couple of minutes. Next, add some more cornstarch to your board to prevent the dough from sticking. Prepare a rolling pin and also dust it and the dough ball in cornstarch to prevent the rolling pin from sticking. Then, press the dough ball flat with your hand and using your rolling pin, roll the mochi dough into a half centimeter thin rectangular sheet. Use a sharp knife to slice this rectangular sheet into many long half-centimeter strips. Then proceed to cut each strip into many half-centimeter squares. The end result will be a bunch of beautiful looking mochis, perfect for your drink. So just toss them in a little cornstarch to keep them from sticking and then set them aside for later. Now, we are ready to start making our matcha milk tea. So add to a small saucepan 250 milliliters of milk and heat over medium-low heat. In a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of matcha powder and 50 milliliters of boiling water, and then whisk vigorously until the mixture becomes frothy and there are no chunks of powder left. Then, while whisking the milk, slowly add the matcha mixture into the milk and continue to heat while stirring until the milk becomes hot but before boiling. At this point, remove the milk from the heat. Now to assemble the red bean and mochi milk tea, one by one add 2 spoonfuls of mochis and 2 spoonfuls of red beans to the bottom of a tall glass. Then, fill the glass to the top with the matcha milk mixture we just finished preparing. To finish the drink, add a few hefty spoonfuls of whipped cream to the top of the drink and then top it off with some extra mochis and red beans as decoration. And with that, we have finished this beautiful red bean and mochi hot milk tea, and it's ready to be enjoyed. And I'm sure you will like this drink. The sweetness of the red beans and mochis cuts through the bitter matcha tea for a rich and pleasant contrast of flavors. And what's more, this drink will keep you toasty on a cold winter day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Please thumbs up this video if you liked it, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye!